The tone of your presentation can make a big difference in how your message is received. With AI-generated narration, you can customize how your presentation sounds and matches your communication style. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize your presentation narration style using the Jotform AI Presentation Agent. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform AI Presentation Agent. Click Create Agent to start creating or importing a presentation. You'll see three ways to begin. You can upload a presentation in PDF or PPTX format, generate a presentation with AI, or import from URL if your presentation already exists online. In this example, select Generate with AI to create a presentation from a prompt. In the Generate Your Presentation with AI workspace, enter a short description of the presentation you want to create. The AI will use this prompt to generate a structured presentation. If you want a quicker starting point, you can also select one of the preset templates below the text box. These templates help guide the AI to generate presentations for common business or educational scenarios. Click Generate to create your presentation. Once the presentation is ready, open the Publish tab and select Presentation Agent. Click Add Presentation, then upload your presentation file. You'll see a Generate Narration window where you can describe how the AI should present your slides. You can choose styles like Professional, Teach and Explain, Focus on the Data, or go into detail and add your own instructions. After setting your narration style, click Generate, then toggle Preview to see how the AI presents your slides. And that's how you customize AI-generated narration style in Jotform Presentation Agent. Create presentations that match your message, tone, and audience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.